Hello everybody, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about keeping a mileage log. So,
something I'm not good at.
Here in the US, you are allowed to deduct your mileage on your taxes if you're traveling for business-related supplies,
Expenses.
things like that,
things
if you
like
have to
that,
go and get supplies. Now the best way
No trips to Tahiti, unless you are teaching someone in Tahiti.
Yeah. Exactly.
Go ahead, Jess. Sorry.
Okay, yeah.
I'll behave.
So for example, I believe the standard mileage deduction for this last year was right around 50 cents per mile that you travel is what they will credit you towards on your taxes. So it does add up, especially if you travel hundreds or even thousands of miles during your during that year. So for example, supply running, when Roy goes to the club, he goes up to Sofa, they're...
Not the party type of club, but...
Not that club, no. Blacksmithing conferences, things of that nature. Travel, all of those are deductible in the standard mileage. And then the other way of doing it is actual expenses for a vehicle, and you can actually deduct actual expenses, which is actually really only more important if you have a newer vehicle or there's a lot higher cost involved. Perhaps a vehicle that eats a lot more in gas, or if you have a lease, things of that nature, you're probably going to be better off taking the actual mileage, but there's a whole set of rules that goes alongside of that too.
Yeah. So at this juncture, once again, we are not a tax professional, so do your own due diligence. Find a tax professional to help you out with these things, an accountant, stuff like that can greatly help you with these things. These are just some things to think about when you're heading into next tax season. As we film this, we've already done our taxes for the year. We got that over with. Whew, thank God. But this is some of the stuff that you can start thinking about to talk with your tax guy and see what you can apply. And you start talking now with the tax guy would be a great thing. So this way you can better plan for the end of the year. And maybe save you a little extra moolah. Don't have to give up as much, which is a lot better.
Yeah, definitely. And if you are interested in the mileage log and what's kind of involved there as far as tracking that, like on eBay, you can pick up a mileage log for a couple of dollars. Office supply stores, they have them. IRS, I think they even have a printable version there that you can get. So
just buy something you're going to use, because the one we bought, I'm never going to use it. It's like reading tiny little midget print, so I'm not going to do that.
They also do have phone apps for tracking mileage, which is really cool also.
As well. So. All right, that's going to be it for this 3 Minutes at 3. We hope you enjoyed.
Thank you for joining us.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.